Nothing beats a hot cup of lemon tea when you're alone at night during this cold on Christmas. Anyway, India always has banner in it. All the Earthlings, you're right, it's a girl India, and I'm here to wish you all an awesome Merry Christmas and to make sure each and one of you on my contact list doesn't fight through the holidays without me. Yours truly, India. And if you're drinking, drink responsibly. If you're driving, stay safe, guys, stay safe, and to make sure that each and one of you sends me my birthday gift. Because why? I can hear you. Because December is India's month all day, every single day. So I'm still waiting on those birthday presents. And I'm sending you all Earthlings my love and light through the holidays. Cheers! Mwah.